Next, we're going to talk about desktop targeting options. So the majority of desktop buyers are doing software installs on a cost per installation basis, which means they are quite limited in targeting options. So some of them are not willing to buy users on older machines, which makes sense, as the offer itself wouldn't be able to convert. So if your offer is dictating your targeting, then there is no point in purchasing traffic with no potential installs, right? That makes no sense. So Zeropark has a feature where you can prepare your desktop targeting options for new and old campaigns and to help you optimize towards your CPI quotas. So this tool that I'm about to show you is going to allow you to tune your campaigns and cut down your ad spend, meaning you will make more money per install. This feature will also is useful for promoting applications and toolbars dedicated to newer operating systems for other campaigns that you may be interested in running. So how do we use it? So there's two ways to access your advanced settings for your desktop targeting. If you already have a campaign and you need to modify anything, you can go to your action and you can select edit campaign. Or if you want to set up a new campaign, all you have to do is choose your traffic options and your targeting options, and then you're going to want to scroll down to where you have your traffic filters, where you see desktop and mobile, desktop only, mobile only, and advanced. So you're going to want to select desktop only since we only want to receive desktop traffic. And as you can see, the browsers for Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Edge, and other are already selected. So your desktop operating system targeting is going to be over here. So you can select the lowest and the highest operating system version by using both ends of the slider. So the traffic will come from a selected range of the operating system. So you can just change it to the operating system that you would like for your traffic to come from. And then on this side, you will not get any traffic on these particular systems. And you can get this data by using your drill down reports in volume like we do and that we show you in Dice University. And then also just want to point out that as you can see, this is currently only available for Windows and Mac operating systems. So you want to keep in mind that the more narrow that your targeting goes, then that also lowers the volume of traffic that's going to be available. So you just want to make sure that you revise your bidding strategy and do your homework and get your lenders right, because based on whatever version you're promoting to, you want to also make sure that the lender is also convincing them to click through to your offer and complete the conversion.